What's up guys, it's GND RC here and we're back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a facelift on the Exceed Sunfire EP. We'll be right back after the break. Today we are going to be doing 3 simple things to this buggy. We are going to be installing some new wheels because these are pretty worn out, and we are going to be installing this awesome scale buggy body. You can get these on eBay, just typing HSP buggy body and wheels. We're also going to be doing an alignment to make sure that the wheels are perfectly centered and has maximum traction for the coast. So let's get right into it, guys. Here is the wheel. If you want to grab yourself a pair, here they are. Let me focus on that for you. Alright, kforceracing.com. They make some pretty good wheels, guys. Check them out. I have some other wheels on my Slash. They are running pretty fine and the treads last a very long time, even on road surfaces. So here you are with the wheel. I must say that the design is quite sleek and good quality plastic and rubber. They do have foam inside. The wheels do come mounted but not glued, so you will have to glue them up. So I'll get straight into that and then install them right onto the car along with the body.